Ugh, pretend I didn't just say that. Okay. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fun day, you know? It's whatever day you're watching this. So anyway, what are we doing today? I'm making another VSco girl video because those are just all the rage right now. You know, I honestly thought the trend would have died a little bit ago, but still going, isn't it? Today I thought it would be fun to do an actual DIY where I give actual instructions, and we're gonna be DIYing some VSco girl accessories. So I'm so tired. So that's what we're doing today. Let's just get into the DIYing the accessories. Let's go. Okay, so I painted my nails just for this video, so let's get started. The first DIY is scrunchies, just in case you want to make your own instead of buying them at Francesca's or Urban Outfitters. Maybe now you'll start an Etsy shop. Who knows? So the materials you'll need are a 1/4 inch of braided elastic. Now is a good time to measure out 9 inches of the elastic for later use. You'll also need standard fabric pins, which I couldn't find, so I'm using needles. You'll need a safety pin and a needle and thread for sewing the fabric. The most important thing is a 3.5 by 22 inch piece of fabric. So let's just get started. The first thing you need to do is fold your fabric in half and inside out. Then pin along the middle to hold the fabric in place for the next step. Preferably use pins instead of needles, unlike what I did. Then all you're gonna do is take your needle and thread and sew along the open side of the fabric and stitch it up. Sorry, I can't really teach you guys how to sew because I can barely do it myself. If you want to, use glue or something. Once the fabric is sewn, take the needles/pins out and place the safety pin on one side of the fabric. You'll then scrunch the safety pin through the entire fabric and pull it out the other side. And the fabric will no longer be inside out and you won't be able to see any of the stitches. Attach the safety pin to the 9 inch piece of elastic and pull the elastic through the fabric tube. Finally, tie the 2 elastic pieces together and tuck the 2 ends of the fabric tube under each other. And boom, you're done. Hooray. Now go brag to your friends that you made your own VSco scrunchies and they didn't. Let's make another one just for kicks. Next DIY, this is definitely the easiest because you basically just put beads on a string, and I'm guessing we've all done that or something like that before, but anyway, I'm still going to show you how to do it. So the materials you need for this one are beads, preferably pony beads, an elastic cord, leather beads, and scissors. That's it. The first thing to do is to cut a string for the bracelet. I don't have the exact dimensions, you'll just have to measure it on your own wrist. Then figure out what word or phrase you're gonna spell on the bracelet and string those letters onto the cord. And put the pony beads around the letter beads until there's no more room on the string for beads. Finally, tie the bracelet off and trim the excess string and you're done. Not hard, let's make some more. Okay, not gonna lie, this is the most time-consuming DIY, so if you're rushing out to a job interview, maybe wait till after you're done. But if it's a rainy or lazy day, then go for it. For this DIY, we're just gonna make a single strand bracelet because it's the simplest. If you want a bracelet that's like more complex, then follow the same steps, but just add more strings. So let's get started. All the stuff you need for this is friendship bracelet embroidery floss, scissors, and tape. And cut the embroidery floss to about 50 to 60 inches per string color. Once the string's cut, gather all the string together so it's even and fold everything in half. Make a single knotted loop at the fold point and tape down the loop onto a hard surface or a water bottle. Then divide the strings up and make the colors symmetrical, so if red is on the outside on the left side, then make red on the outside on the right side too. Now it's time for knotting. Start with an outside leading string and place it on top of the adjacent string. Lift up the adjacent string so you can loop the leading string underneath the adjacent string. Repeat this on the same adjacent string so you have made a double knot. Move to the next string and repeat the double knot pattern. Once you have gotten to the middle, stop and repeat the double knotting on the other side. I started on the right side, so now I'll move to the left. When both leading strings are in the middle, take one and make a single knot. Then take the other and make another single knot. And that's it. That's how you make one row of the pattern. Then you basically repeat this until your bracelet is long enough to be finished. So now let's do the next color. Make a double knot over the adjacent string. Move to the next string. Make a double knot. Pause, switch sides. Make a double knot over the adjacent string. And repeat on the following string. At the middle, single knot, so fun. Now time to repeat this like 40 times. So fun, so good. And 2 hours later, take the tape off the loop, tie the bracelet on your wrist, and there you go. You're the ultimate VSco girl, DIY person, queen, yeah. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed doing these DIYs, or you didn't do them yet. Maybe you did while you were watching them. But if you did / are gonna do these DIYs, then have fun. Yeah! But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!